Hi guys, this is how to share Google Forms via WhatsApp. Let's go. Unfortunately, there is no mobile application for Google Forms, so you have to create your form on a computer or in mobile browser, and then you can log in to the Google Drive using the same account you used to create form and find your form on your drive. Then tap on three dots over here and copy link. But first go to Manage Access and make sure that responders can view this form, anyone with the link. Now let's go back, tap on three dots once again, copy link. Now you can close Google Drive, open the WhatsApp application and select your responder, tap and hold in the text field and paste your form. Tap on send. And that's pretty it. Now your receiver can open the form and answer your questions, and you will get a statistics in your forms application on your computer. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye, guys.